Hello, so we're now in our chart. So um today I just wanna talk to you guys about trading psychology. 'Di ba? Because trading psychology is the most important thing you need to manage in trading. Because if you can't manage your emotion in trading, you'll miss up, guys. You will miss up. So in order for you to become consistent in market is you need to have a discipline. Like I'm practicing myself that in real life, not also in trading, is I have a deep or a strong discipline. Like not only in trading, like if you want to build discipline in trading, if you can't build discipline in real life, you can also build discipline in trading because it affects your mindset, your mind, your brain. It trains your brain because for example, you have this one thing that needed to do in your house, but you fail to do that and it's hard for you. So same as trading. If you don't follow that, if you don't do that, if you are it's hard for you to do that um household chores, it's also hard for you to follow your trading plan. 'Di ba? Because mindset is crucial. So better for you is build discipline in school, especially in school. Build discipline. Make that project on time and see how will improve your discipline in trading also. Diba? So that's why always follow your plan and this is also guys, this also matters in trading. Do you realize like if you're in profit, your mindset is you're a good trader. But if price goes opposite and you have a losing trade, your mind is messed up because you're not ready to accept that loss. That's why there's a lot of mind, there's a lot of scenario happening on your mind. Like, oh my God, I'm on losing trade. What if this trade goes down, goes losing and price reverse and hit my stop loss? Yeah, I need to close this one. I need to leverage. I need to scale in to maximize the profit, but you're maximizing your loss. So that's why I'm practicing this on myself. But I've been trading for almost 3 years, and it's really hard for me in my first year because right, like I'm just a because I love charts, guys. I really do love charting. That's why in my first year I waste my time getting the right strategy that has a good drawing. For example, in ICTSMC, you guys can relate me. Like ICTSMC is way cooler than any strategy out there because there's a lot of drawing base. Like for example, is here we have wait here we have SMT divergence, and also here we have per value gap by drawing that, and we have now E endorsement, and now we also have these order blocks. But order blocks, I love order blocks nowadays, guys. But what I mean is a lot of drawings in the market, diba? That's firstly beginner traders gonna mess up. I don't know to future generations in trading, but for me, that's my experience. And back to the topic, guys, in trading psychology, if you enter a trade, like set your reasonable stop loss and reasonable TP. Not greedy and not early, 'di ba? Like if you already set the stop loss and TP, so what you gonna do? You don't have to do anything but to wait either to hit your stop loss or hit your TP. So that's my mindset in trading. So we're now in trade, say. So I'll explain you in this trade why I talk this selling. So I talk that in selling on my MT5. So let me show you. Let me show you guys that I actually did entry that right here. It's now on blue, but price is going up, but I don't care. Like I'm on trade. And I already stopped. I set my stop loss. So right here, I'm just waiting. So why I took this buy, I sell, is because yesterday price pumps here. I I got 100 pips, and then boom, and anticipated is sell because we have this multiple in 30 minutes. We have this multiple CB bearish. Like my strategy, guys, is I do have strategy which I discover lately, and I've been trading this for almost 6 months now, and keep collecting data, still keep collecting data. So CB bearish, and we also have this CB bearish. But guys, gold is still bullish. So later on or sooner or later, so price will pop talaga. So I'm just anticipating retracement. So here we also have the CB bearish. As you can see, guys, CB bearish, and it failed to break this high. So that means in my strategy that was a SF bearish swing failure. And then boom, price did go down, and price failed to break high of the candle. So that was my sign of bearishness. And then here price tapped this FBG, but it failed to break this high. Like one of the rule of fair value gap is once it tap, it will continue. But here nothing's nothing's forced price to go up. So in that case, I really anticipate you selling. So I just wait for another semi bearish, which happens here. This 30-minute candle break, guys. And the second candle break, I enter right here. So it was running right now, but my target is 1:2. So we're now on trade. So I'm just waiting. It's either price would pump or dump. So that's it. So I'm just managing my risk here. So I set my stop loss above here. So if price breaks this high, more possibilities. Wait. You gotta go up. If price to build this to fail to break this high, it will go down. But if it breaks, so probably gonna go up. So I'm just waiting, guys. So that's it. So I'm just